Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into what I consider to be the best outdoor lounge chair folding available in the market. The KingCamp Folding Chaise Lounge Chair. Whether you're lounging by the beach, sunbathing on your patio, or just chilling poolside, this chair promises comfort and durability like no other. Let's start with the basics. The KingCamp Folding Chaise Lounge Chair is designed for ultimate relaxation. It features a sturdy alloy steel frame and durable 600D Oxford fabric, ensuring it can support up to 264 pounds. The ergonomic design with a 5-position adjustable backrest allows you to find the perfect angle for lounging whether you want to sit up, recline, or lay flat. What sets this chair apart is its comfort features. It's equipped with a wide, padded pillow that doubles as a headrest or lumbar support, catering to your relaxation needs. The fabric is not only comfortable but also breathable, making it ideal for hot summer days. Plus, there's a convenient 3-in-1 storage pocket for your essentials like phones, keys, and beverages. Durability is key, especially for outdoor furniture. The KingCamp chair uses a double bungee suspension system, enhancing comfort and longevity. Despite its robust build, it's surprisingly lightweight at just 6.4 kilograms. Transporting it is a breeze with its carry handle and shoulder strap, perfect for camping trips, beach outings, or simply moving around your backyard. To ensure long-term use, remember not to leave the chair exposed to prolonged sunlight and store it properly when not in use. The removable pillow and washable fabric make maintenance hassle-free, keeping your chair looking and feeling fresh season after season. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a versatile, durable, and supremely comfortable outdoor lounge chair, look no further than the KingCamp Folding Chaise Lounge Chair. It ticks all the boxes for functionality, comfort, and style, making it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. That wraps up our review of the KingCamp Folding Chaise Lounge Chair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy lounging!